Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're going to talk about something that every car owner needs to know. The essential things to check on your car regularly. Keeping your car in top condition not only ensures your safety, but also helps avoid costly repairs down the road. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the engine oil. This is the lifeblood of your engine, and you should check it at least once a month. Make sure the oil level is within the recommended range and that it's clean. If it's dirty or low, it's time for an oil change. Next, the battery. Inspect the terminals and cables for any signs of corrosion. Clean them if necessary. Also, check the battery's charge. If your car is slow to start, it might be a sign that your battery is losing its charge and needs replacing. Tire pressure is another critical aspect. Underinflated tires can cause poor fuel efficiency and uneven tire wear. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure at least once a month, and don't forget the spare tire. While you're at it, check the tire tread. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see the top of his head, it's time to replace the tires. Proper tread ensures good traction, especially in wet conditions. Don't forget the coolant. The coolant or antifreeze is essential for keeping your engine at the right temperature. Check the coolant level in the reservoir and top it off if it's low. Make sure to use the right type of coolant for your car. Windshield washer fluid might seem minor, but it's crucial for visibility. Make sure the reservoir is full, especially during the winter months. You don't want to be caught without it when your windshield gets dirty. Brake fluid is another important fluid to keep an eye on. Check the level in the brake fluid reservoir. If it's low, it could indicate a leak or worn brake pads. Always address brake issues immediately for your safety. Lights are vital for safe driving. Regularly check your headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights to ensure they are all functioning properly. Replace any burnt-out bulbs promptly. The air filter keeps dirt and debris out of your engine. Check it every few months and replace it if it's dirty. A clean air filter improves fuel efficiency and engine performance. Finally, take a look at the belts and hoses. Check for any signs of wear, cracks, or leaks. These components are critical for your engine's operation, and catching issues early can prevent a breakdown. And there you have it, 10 essential things to check on your car regularly. By keeping up with these simple checks, you'll keep your car running smoothly and safely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Drive safe, and see you in the next video. Outro music fades in.